Hi everyone, this is Moviegoer Lisa 007 and welcome to my new craft room. Anyway, I learned how to do the ladder stitch and let's see how well we can do this project together. First you need your set of pony beads and your nice set of string, and of course you want a pair of scissors. So this is what we do. I just learned to stitch today, and I'm going to try to see if we can do it again. First, you thread on 3 beads. There you have it. You want to make sure it's nice and straight. Let's keep it even. There it has it. Now it's in the center. Take your first 3 beads. Slide it down. Take this string, the opposite won't sit. Thread it through all 3 beads. Now you see these 2 ends right here? These 2 ends right here. You're gonna pull. Move your beads if you have to, make room. Keep pulling. Now you should look like this. This is called the ladder stitch. That's what we're making, the bracelet and the ladder stitch. Something different today. I'm going to try to expand my bracelet skills and see how many patterns there are out there and try to expand my skill level. See if I can get better at it and maybe sell some bracelets on eBay or Poshmark. That'd be really cool if you guys find that interesting. But we're gonna experiment again to make it neater. This is my 3rd try. I messed up many times today, but if you keep trying, eventually you'll get it right. Remember the hole? See the hole right there? Put it through the string. Take your opposite string and thread it through. And that's it. And to take these 2 guys right here, crisscross, you want these 2 and pull. You want it not too tight, but you want to be like neat. Take more beads. You want always 3. String it on. And that's it. Once you are done, once you have it like this all the way to the end, enough to put over your wrist, I'll show you how to tie the knot at the end. See you at the end. Welcome back, and let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I think we just do a couple more. think 25 should be okay. A couple, thread the bead through the hole. It should be like this. If it falls off, put it back on. Just hold the end. No big deal. Take your opposite string and thread it through all 3 holes. Take your time. Then you crisscross. The short ends is what you want to pull on. Make the ladder. Pull nice and tight, but not too tight. It should sit something like this. Count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22. I'll do the rest of them with you guys on camera, so you get the idea how to do this. It's not that hard. At first, I couldn't figure out how she was pulling the string. That was the weird part. How do you pull the string? You have to crisscross. Put it through the hole. If you drop it, pick it up. You make mistakes. Always, take your time. Pay attention to what you're doing. And off you go. Pull it through. You want the short ends on each side and then pull. But if you do it on the floor, chances are it'll come out nice and flat. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. We just need 2 more. Let's hope we can do the end without any interruptions. So far we had a quiet day. Hope everybody is well. Remember, you want to crisscross. That's how we're making the ladder. Got 2 more, I believe. You don't want it too long, but you want it long enough to put it on your wrist. Now let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, I think we are finished. Yep, we are done. There's 25. So take this end and that end. Turn it around gently. Want to be careful. Thread this end to the other side. Put it through the hole. And then close. Now all you're going to do, take this part and this part, crisscross it, make a knot. Tie it about 5-6 times. So that way you can secure the knot. If it will go through, need to pay attention to what I'm doing. There we go, nice and neat. Crisscross again. Tie it really tight, the knots. This is my first time doing this correctly. It came out beautiful. I have to thank Candy for this. Watching her video, I got the hang of it and did it exactly how it's supposed to be. It took me 5 tries to do this project, But this is my second time doing the bracelet. I had to keep taking it out, redoing it again and again and again. Let's do one more knot for security. Like I said, if you leave your knots alone and don't retie them, you can make them last a long time. Let's cut the short end and hide the knot. Bring it back through the string on the other side. Stick it through that hole. If I can get it in there, it'd be a miracle. There's one. Not easy doing this on camera. Let's just pull it through. There you go. Well, not too tight. Always try to be a little bit more patient with yourself. There it goes. Oh, we can do it. You don't want to pull it too tight. And there you have it. And then cut it. And there you have it. There you go. All pretty. It's very pretty. There's what it looks like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And see you next time in another video. Bye, everybody.